Hello Odoo and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create vendor ledger in Odoo accounting. Before starting this video, if you are having trouble creating customer ledger in Odoo, check out our previous video in which we have shown how to create customer ledger. We have made the whole process much easier for you. Now let's begin with today's video. First, you need to log into your Odoo instance, access the accounting module, click on vendor. From the drop-down select vendors again. Now you need to click on new button located at the top left corner. Select individual or company according to your vendor type. Paste your vendor GSTN and Odoo will automatically fetch vendor name, address, GST treatment, GSTN, and PAN of your vendor. You need to mention mobile number, mail ID, website if any, and click on Save Manually button. You have successfully created vendor ledger in Odoo. If you found this video helpful and for more such videos, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.